Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to become an Odoo developer. Let's get started. First, go to odoo.com and log in your account. This action will lead you to your dashboard where you will click on the settings icon right here. In this new page containing the settings, scroll down to the developer tools section, and it does say here to deactivate the developer mode since my developer mode is activated. But if yours is not, then it should say activate the developer mode, and you will click on that. After that, click on save at the top left corner to save your changes. Next, go to odoo.com/jobs, and in here you can find a lot of jobs from different countries and departments. This includes developer jobs. So you can start by searching your specified job here in this search bar, and you may also use these filters right here. So Odoo does have different departments like this: business support, direct sales, and business services. And it also has different office locations right here. And it also has different countries here like Indonesia, Australia, and Brazil. And that is how you can become an Odoo developer. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.